GIS and the technologies that are associated with GIS have become probably one of the most ubiquitous tools that are available in every aspect. GIS is to be able to look at things in a spatial context. And the question becomes, what is not spatial? And I cannot think of anything that's not. There is a way to use this tool to be able to make more informed decisions and more enlightened results, we hope.
GIS has grown and is used by every discipline, it seems like these days, from obviously geography all the way into business with geolocation technologies. Geospatial technology is going to continue to grow, and geography sort of is at the core of geospatial technologies, and we're talking about Geography Week.
My research focus is mostly in human geography, especially cultural and political geography, and I probably don't use GIS as much in cultural geography. I've used it to make maps when I do research on sports geography, or when I've done my research on haunted places and landscape memorialization. But where I've probably used it the most is in political geography, especially electoral geography. I've looked at electoral patterns in the United States, especially in terms of religion and ethnicity, such as the Asian American vote or voting patterns in the Bible Belt. But where I've really looked at it is probably internationally, my main focus being Taiwan. I've looked quite a bit at Taiwanese elections and trying to find the patterns there. And GIS really does allow me to answer those questions. And so that's probably where I use it the most, is in terms of electoral geography. But certainly GIS can be applied in a lot of different sub-disciplines of geography, from human to physical.
The advice I'd give to somebody who's intimidated to join the program is to join anyway. We're a friendly group, and we try to work with everyone. We have majors with people from history, music, people who have done recreation, environmental study, people who have done emergency management. It's open to everyone, it's accessible to everyone, and again, it's part of your everyday life, and just about every job you'll do out there will involve some type of access or knowledge of GIS.
What I think makes our master's program different is it's a master's in GIS, not just a master's in geography. And so the focus is exclusively in GIS and geospatial technologies. If students decide to go on to a PhD program, or they decide to go ahead and enter the job market after finishing our master's program, I think they'll have the tools and skills that will help them succeed no matter which path they take.